Welcome. In this video, I'll tell you how to fix controller not working on Fortnite. Let's begin. Start by opening the Fortnite side panel and accessing the menu. From there, select the settings option. Navigate to the mouse and keyboard settings, locate the ignore controller input setting and turn it off. After that, click apply. Your controller should now work in Fortnite. If the issue persists, unplug the controller for a few seconds and reconnect it. You can also try connecting it to a different USB port on your PC. For those using a wireless controller, it's better to use a wired connection for improved performance. However, if you prefer wireless, close Fortnite and open Steam. Click Steam on the top menu and go to the settings. From the side panel, select Controller and enable the support option that matches your controller type. It's also a good idea to disable support for other controllers to avoid conflicts. Set the configuration support to either enabled in games without support or just enabled depending on your setup. Once done, relaunch Fortnite. Your controller should now function properly, although it might take a few moments to sync. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.